Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today on Tuesday, February the 25th, 2020, we have a one Sudoku, a beautiful medium Sudoku. So let's get started. Let me see. I see here a 4 in this column, a 4 in the last column. So in the column between, the only two places for a 4 should be here and there. But I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then a 6 in this row, a 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only two places for a 6 is here and there, but I see here 6, but there's no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then a 9 in the first row, a 9 in the third row, so in the second row, the only place for the 9 should be here. Then 3, 7, 1, 7, 7. Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here a 5. No 5 in these two boxes. I see there a 5. So no 5 in those two boxes. So one box remains for the 5 should be this one. Then all right. The following step is the following step is, let me see. Yes, in the last row, I see here a 5 in this row and the row below a 5 here. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be here. So we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here a 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 9 here. In the second column, we have a 9 over there. So in the first column, the only two places for the 9 is here or there. But I see here a 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 9 is here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then two missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1 and 2, I see here a 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes here. 3. 1 in this row, 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in the last column. The only place for the 1 is here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row. The only two places for the 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so in the middle column, the only two places for the 1 is here and there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright, then two missing numbers in the last column. For the numbers 8 and 9, we see here a 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 7 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. One missing number in the last column. For the number 8, one missing number in this row. For the number 9, two missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 3 and 8, we have 8 there, so no 8 here, 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then three missing numbers. The numbers are, for this big square, 7, 5, and 6. We have a 7 here, so no 7 in these two boxes, so the 7 should be there. Now we have a 6 and 5, 6 and 5 left. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. That means these two boxes of this column, we have 6 and 5. That means these two boxes are the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here, 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. In this column, two missing numbers. For the numbers 2 and 5, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. Let me see. We have the 9, yes. Do we have the 8? Yes, 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column. The only two places for the 8 is here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only two places for the 8 is here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be there. Then, in this big square, one of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. For this big square, I see there 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So in the first column, we have a 4 here. In the second column, we have a 4 in one of these two boxes. In the third column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2, we have a 3 there, no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then 5 and 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 5 there, no 5 here, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are missing here. That means 1 digit left for this big square for the number 4. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places for the 4 is here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in this column, the only 2 places for the 4 is here or there, but I see here a 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 7 is missing in this column. 5 and 7. Can I fill this? No. 5 and 7. I need to wait for more information. 5 and 7. These 2 boxes, 5 and 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. These 2 boxes of the first row, 5 and 6. Can I fill this? No, I cannot fill this. These 2 boxes of this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. No, 5 and 7, I cannot fill this yet. These 3 boxes for the numbers 7, 5 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be here. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 5. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 here, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 5. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 7. Now we have a 6 there, no 6 here, 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this first row for the number 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be there, and the 7 goes here. Finish in 13 minutes for this Sudoku Medium. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like, if you want. Anyway, you can download the PDF file so you can solve it or make this by yourself. Rest me to say thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for a new edition of Sudokus. Thank you and bye bye.